Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable constant contact campaigns for recurring promotional workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable constant contact campaigns for recurring promotional workflows, start by logging. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab in the main menu. Click on the Create button to start a new campaign. Select Email from the drop-down menu. Choose the template that best fits your promotional needs. Once you've selected a template, customize it by adding your logo, images, and promotional text. After designing your email, scroll down to the scheduling options. Select Schedule for later if you want to set a specific date and time for your campaign to be sent. To set up recurring promotional workflows, click on the Automation tab. From there, select Create an Automation. Choose Start from Scratch or use a pre-designed automation template. If you're starting from scratch, name your workflow to easily identify it later. Next, define the action you want to happen when the trigger occurs, such as sending your promotional email. You can also determine how often you want the campaign to repeat. Define the duration of your campaign, choosing between daily, weekly, or monthly recurrences. Once all settings are configured, review your workflow to ensure everything is accurate. Click on Save to finalize your automation settings. Your constant contact campaigns are now set to run on a recurring schedule. Monitor your campaign performance through the dashboard to assess engagement and make adjustments as needed. That concludes the process to enable constant contact campaigns for recurring promotional workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.